Hey everyone, Colton here at Preferred Physical Therapy, where we help those 40 and above stay active and independent, live free from painkillers, and avoid surgery. Today I'm going to be showing you a stretch to help you if you ever have chronic migraines or headaches that feel like a vice grip on top of your head, almost like you feel like a parachute and it's pulling all the way down. We're going to try to help alleviate that by going the opposite way. This can also help those who have some sort of jaw pain or just chronic neck pain to help alleviate any sort of symptoms that may be going up into the skull. I have Hannah here to help us with the exercise today. We all have our temporalis muscle here on the sides of our head, known as the temples, as some people call them. I'm gonna have Hannah here take her hands and place them from her palm onto her temples. So I'm gonna have her push in through there. Now this isn't gonna be increasingly painful. What I want her to do is I want her to slightly push into her skull and then lift up towards the ceiling. She should feel a stretch all the way down into almost her cheekbones. I typically will have patients hold this 30 seconds, 3 times. You can make this more intense by opening the jaw as well, opening the whole mouth to get a further stretch as it goes down into the jaw. I hope this stretch helps you alleviate some of the symptoms that you may be suffering from. If you do have any other sort of symptoms that are different from this, we do have other exercises on our website or on our YouTube page that may be helpful for you. If that is still not enough, please give us a call or comment below for any other further direction. Have a great day, everyone. Live free from. Hannah,